This was left in the microwave all day long, stuck to the plate and completely nasty. He's going to eat it right now for us. And it's really cold, too. Oh, that's awful. You got to eat the whole thing. We'll time delay the video.
Make it into a taco. It'll be fine.
Yeah, there you go. Roll it into a... Look at it. It's so old. It's nasty. It's stuck to the plate. Look at this nastiness.
Just cook it like a waffle.
Just tear it off.
I'm trying to. Got it.
Okay, we're doing a taco style.
Whatever. Don't make him sing.
It's okay. We have school tomorrow.
Is it edible? You can tell all your friends what you did. This is awesome. Say, look.
You know what?
For one, I don't like pepperoni. For two, you already bit off it.
It's hard to chew.
Yeah.
It'll be a while.
We'll be experiencing the gas from this later.
Have fun, Mom.
Nope. Bathroom for you. Marissa, look what Cyrus is doing. Cy.
This is gonna be a new world record for a left out microwave pizza.
Don't they give you money for this? I don't think it's gonna be.
No.
It was in there from 10:30.
What was
Oh,
that?
about.
5 hours.
Should have waited some more and ate it later. Would have been even longer.
Go away a couple days. Didn't want to get moldy. Yeah, the penicillin actually.
Ooh, that's good. Let me get something good for you.
No.
Not like that.
You won't. You won't be very happy if you did. You're about crazy camera.
Oh, that's what's left. Here, let me scratch it. Here, scratch and sniff, folks. Ready? Here goes. Smell. Smell it. Smell it, smell it.
Where'd that come from, Blake? My dad says it all the time.
Oh, annihilation right there.
That's your excuse, so you're sticking to
Bob wants it.
No, you have to eat the whole thing.
I know.
Hey, my kids haven't eaten lunch yet.
Oh,
I haven't either.
See? So we're
I think we have some more pizzas. Hey, you guys, this is from Food Line. But you know. What?
That's just his 2 cents.
Dennis Lolly Pickles. I even got that.
Wolf it down. Come on.
One more bite.
Crunchy.
all of that are bites for it to be crunchy. Crunchy chocolate pizza.
Okay, I think we're satisfied.